Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I want to make a little video on this quad over here. I wasn't even going to touch it for a few months, but I would really like to get something running for the winter time. I don't know how long the other quad's going to take, because I'm going to be doing an entire engine swap on it. So I figured, let's take a look at this thing. I'm going to start by removing both the rear and the actually I'm just going to start with the rear. Just remove all the plastics and the utility rack from the rear. Oh, excuse my voice. And yeah, just go from there. I want to see if I can charge up this battery. I was told it's brand new, which would be great if it was. If it's not, I'll end up having to get a new battery, but it's not the end of the world. And yeah, I want to see if I can get this thing running. I know it's going to need some things like the entire piece that this gear shifter is supposed to connect to here. I can tell there's supposed to be a housing over here somewhere. So let's get cracking on that. Probably also going to put this on like a time-lapse kind of thing. Only because I want to listen to some music as I do all this. So yeah, stay tuned and sit back and relax as you watch me work on this thing. Also, maybe some updates coming on this in the future as I wait for parts. We'll see. Alright, YouTube. Here comes the time lapse. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So we're gonna wrap up this weekend. I gotta go in and relax a little bit. We got a lot done though. Got the buggy back together. I mean, there's a lot of stuff we got done. You know, I ordered all the parts for this moped. The generators are practically done. This frame is all painted. Again, I'm waiting for it to dry off. I just took the tape off. I like to keep things looking as stock as possible, so I left the original Atlantic Tools Power Station logo on there. Be cool if I could eventually get my own logo to put on there, but that's a long time. It'll probably take for something like that. But yeah, this frame is all done. I'm gonna let it dry. I probably won't be back in here for a few days at least. Let's see. That's the engine that's going into that frame. Shut off these lights. This one, I just have to extend the wires so that the entire just the entire panel, actually you can see the panel right there, can reach the panel where I can actually mount it into. I bought this engine this past weekend for, I think it was $100 I paid today. And it's going to be able to finish that one that I fully rebuilt, which would be nice. Let's see what else. Man, this project's just everywhere. This engine I didn't even touch. What else? I know I'm missing stuff right now. Oh, as you guys know, I had I got some work done on that little pit bike over here. We worked on that quad over there a little bit. This one I'm not even working on until I start disassembling all of it, because this is going to be a whole nother project. You know, I'm trying to finish up some projects first before I even start on this one, because this one's going to be a whole nother project to even get going. What else? I feel like I'm missing other stuff. But yeah, my goal is to get at least 1 or 2 generators together first. Then I might work on getting another engine or 2 together as well. I want to finish this moped, and I just want to get everything into one corner that's all finished and ready to be sold, or whatever is going to happen with some of the stuff. And yeah, once some of this stuff is at least away in a corner, so I have all this extra room here, then I'll start up on this quad. Oh, excuse me. I might even work on that quad first over there, only because that one is pretty close to being done. Let's see. I think that's about it though for now. That's a pretty detailed update temporarily. So yeah, this is the little workshop update. Just there's projects in every direction. I was never expecting to ever have a garage like this, and I'm definitely thankful for everything I have. So but yeah, before I start babbling on, that's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys have a good week, and I'll see you guys next weekend. Diesel Dan Peters, signing out.